Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer local citations using Yext for stronger SEO, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start transferring local citations using Yext, log into your Yext account. Navigate to the listings section on the dashboard. Select the business location you want to transfer citations for. Review the current citations displayed in the listings page. Identify the local citations you wish to transfer. Make a note of the essential details for each citation, including name, address, and phone number. In the Yext platform, locate the Citations feature. Click on Add Citation to start the transfer process. Input the business information precisely as it appears on the original citation. If Yext offers a feature for uploading bulk data, consider using it for multiple citation transfers. Ensure the NAP, name, address, phone, consistency across all entries. Once all the information is entered, click Submit to initiate the transfer. Yext will then process your request and update the citations accordingly. Monitor the progress by checking the listings page for updates. After a few days, revisit the original citation sources to verify the transfer. Make any necessary adjustments directly on Yext if discrepancies arise. Routinely check your citations to maintain accuracy and consistency. This streamlined transfer process helps enhance your local SEO efforts effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.